All right, this is painting number 2, and this kind of goes along with the other painting that I did. And I really haven't given this a name yet, but it is a 20 by 20 and very simple abstract painting. If you've beginner painting, you can do this. Here is an example of the two together, and I've connected the two videos below so you can watch the other one if you want to try the other one too with the gold foil. But this is with circles, very haphazard, and it's just absolutely beautiful. So you start with a blank canvas, and this is a canvas that already had gesso on it. And my camera didn't start right away, but what I added was black paint. I used the golden high flow, and it's a very strong pigmented black, so I just started painting the edge. And then I go over into adding, you'll see me shortly add some of the white, and this is again the high flow titanium white. I did not change my paintbrush. This is a very simple paintbrush you can get at a art store. It depends on the thickness of how you like to paint, on how thick of a brush you're going to get. But I'm just running there I squirt some water on there. I'm just running the colors together, going back and grabbing some of the black into the gray, and just painting from the gradation of the black into the gray, and then you'll see me add some of the white on the end. I'm not being ultra careful about the brush strokes. They're just very up and down. Now I'm adding some soft body, and I chose to use the Nova color. You can use golden soft body or Liquitex. It doesn't matter. Nova is a beautiful paint. Beautiful. I absolutely love their titanium white. But again, I am putting in the color, and I'm just going back and forth, transitioning the gray over into the white and letting them all blend together, because that's the look I want. I just want a really nice gradation of the different colors, the black into the gray into the white. So I hope you paint along with me on this, or give this a try. It's very easy. Now there's the alcohol spray, and if you've never done a spray of alcohol in wet paint, you'll have to try it. It gives it a beautiful effect, and I love it. I use it a lot of times in my paintings just to give it a different texture. There it is when it's still wet. I use any graphite tool and right through it. Doesn't have to be graphite, because at this point when it's wet paint, you're just putting a mark through the wet paint. It's called Sgrifitto, and you're just making marks in there, and it especially shows up on the light. Here it is dry, so I'm taking the gold craft paint, and you can put any design, but I chose, because I like circles and spheres, I chose just to very randomly, without a plan, put the gold circles around the entire canvas. For a painting this simple, the outcome of this is just absolutely beautiful. You have several of these black, white, and gold paintings together, and you've just got a beautiful array of art. Very simple. There I sped it up twice as fast. I can't paint that fast. Sometimes I wish I could, especially on something like this where you're just adding circles. So I'm going back, and I'm just adding some more to make some of the circles have like a 2 and 3 layer, 2 and 3 circles in one. So here I'm just working to finish it off. And as the gold paint goes into the black, it becomes more pronounced. But you can see how beautiful this is coming. I do have a course where I teach how to do this in gold foil on my Intentional Artist, which is linked below. I do training, paid training. If you want to take it a step further, there's 5 black, white, and gold paintings that I teach 5 different techniques. But this is absolutely beautiful, very simple. If you've never painted before, just look how pretty that is. Great gift. Just paint the sides white or black or even gray, and you've got a absolutely beautiful painting that you can put on your wall. So I hope you do this, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it.